This challenge is called Eavesdrop. It's a medium-level challenge from the forensics category from the picoCTF 2022 event. The description says, download this packet capture and find the flag. And then there's a link to the packet capture file. The first thing we need to do is we need to right-click on the link and select Copy Link, and then go back to our terminal. And in the terminal, we're going to download the file using the wget command. So we're going to wget and then space, and then paste in the link for the packet capture file. Then we're going to hit enter, and that's going to download the file. And we now have the capture.flag.pcap file in our directory. If we run the file command on this file, we see that it is identified as a pcap capture file. And we can use the xdg open command to open it. So xdg open is a Linux command that is going to take whatever file is provided to it and then use the appropriate program to open the file. So in the case of pcap capture files, it's going to use the Fireshark program to open it. So let's open it. And we see we have a bunch of packets over here. So if we were to manually go through all these packets, we see that there are There are 75 packets in this file. So comparatively, that's not too much, but looking through each one of these packets individually is going to be a big pain. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on one of these TCP packets, and we're going to follow the TCP stream. So just click on one of these TCP packets, right-click, and then go down to Follow TCP Stream. And this is going to let us see all of the conversation that is happening inside of this TCP stream. So we see here there's some sort of conversation going on between two parties. It says, hey, how do you decrypt this file again? You're serious? Yeah, I'm serious. It's OpenSSL DES3 salt in file.des3 -out file.txt k super secret password 123. So this is a command that this person is passing along to decode a file called file.des3 into a file called file.txt with the password super secret password 123. So it says, okay, great, thanks. Let's use Discord next time. It's more secure. And then something, something. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to obtain the file that was created in this conversation. So the file is called file.des3. So in this conversation, they also mention that they're sending the file over a certain port. In this case, it is 9002. So what we can do is we can exit out of this, and then we can look for, and then we have a filter over here, TCP stream. We can get rid of this filter, and then we can put in our own filter, and our filter is going to be tcp.port is equal to 9002, because that's the TCP port that they were talking about. So we can enter that, and then there's a very limited number of packets over here. So when we look through the contents of these packets, we see one that has the packet content salted over here. So this is probably what we're looking for, because they were talking about sending an encrypted file, and this salt indicates that this could be the encrypted file. So what we can do is in the data section over here, so this is all the information about this particular packet. In the data section, data 48 bytes, we can right-click, and then we can export the packet bytes. So we're going to click on Export Packet Bytes, and then it's going to ask us to save it as a file. We're going to save it in our present working directory as file.des3 because that's what they specified in the command. So we're going to save that. And then let's look back at the conversation that they were having. So over here, we're going to follow the conversation one more time. So this is the command we want to run. So we can copy this. And then we can go back to our terminal. And in our terminal, we should have our file.des3. So we're going to paste in the command from the conversation. What this is going to do is going to use the OpenSSL program in DES3 mode. It's going to decrypt from the salt, and the input file is file.des3. The output file is going to be file.txt, and the password is going to be super secret password 123. So when we run this, it gives us a warning, but we also see that we have the file.txt file in our folder now. So we've decrypted the file into file.txt, and the contents of file.txt is the flag, picoCTF, this. So what we can do is copy the flag, and then go over to the challenge description page, paste in the flag, and then click on Submit Flag. And then we're finished.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.